Now we stir. Like this. Don't do it at home. You're gonna make a mess. Good morning. My name is Tim. I'm the owner of Surfing Lizard. Today I'm gonna show you how I cook very exciting dish. Rama fried rice. How does it sound to you? You like fried rice at the Surfing Lizard? Cooked by Rama's recipe. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, we start with a wok. Here you go. Wok on the fire. Go. A little bit oil. Not too much. Hey, not too much. Okay, the oil start getting hot. We put a little bit of garlic inside. Okay. Garlic. Now we use spatula. Over here we got some chicken. You have to go fast because the garlic getting burnt. Okay, it's not burnt. It's just golden brown, which is good for fried rice. Then some veggie. Make sure the chicken is hot and cooked. We usually boil the chicken beforehand, so we make sure it's always cooked. So that's it. Nice and hot now. This is the smoke. Now time for the rice. We cook the rice beforehand. So if you plan to do fried rice at home, you got to cook some rice. Cooking rice is easy. YouTube, teach you how. Here you go. Now we stir. Like this. You like it? Don't do it at home. You're gonna make a mess. I'll tell you now. Because I'm a chef. I've been cooking for 10 years. So I know what I'm doing. Look. Make sure you press this down, okay? Make sure you press it down. So all the chunky rice will be separated. Like this. Now time for the sauce. This is our Rama recipe soy sauce. Sorry, I can't tell you the recipe. You know, we still want you to come here to enjoy fried rice. If you ask for it, when you come here order fried rice, we always give you extra. A little bit of that. So pretty much inside here, we got a little bit of sugar, a little bit of seasoning, a special seasoning, a little bit of vinegar, just give you a sour tang taste, a little bit of cumin, and just a little bit of pepper. Here you go. Someone likes a little bit more salty, so it depends on the customer. That's why we put the chili sauce on the side as well. I like it more salty, so I put a little bit more. Like that. Nice and good. We leave it for now, okay? Over here, we spray. We cook the fried egg. So this is the hot plate. Here you go. The rice is ready. Now time to... This is the puff rice. We bake the rice in the oven until it pops. So give you a really crunchy taste. And then stir up. And on the bowl. Here we go. By the time it's on the bowl, we put some salad on, so we have a little bit of vinaigrette. This is a homemade one, so they got a little bit soy, vinegar, a little bit sugar, warm water, and just shake out. A little bit salt, pepper, yes of course. And here you go. We put on the side, okay? On the side. Look at that. And then this is the ramen sauce again, but we put a little bit chili in there. Put on the ramekin, that's enough. We put on the plate. Some customers really want bacon with it. Some customers really want our yummy pork belly with that. Pork belly is the best. I just want to show you how simple I will make fried rice here. That's why we don't put anything else. Just like the chicken and that's it. Over here we have some mushroom as well. Just a garlic mushroom. And then that's it. Now time to scoop the egg and put on the plate. Here you go, like that. We wait for the mushroom to be hot. Very yummy. Does it look good? Make you feel like fried rice now? Now it's hot. We put it on the side. In case some customers don't like it, some customers like it. You get what I mean? And you see that? That's a lot of ingredients. This is the breadcrumb. We bake in the oven with butter, salt, pepper, turn crispy. Okay, so we scoop a little bit. We put over the salad. Go, done. Now we wash it again. Use the cloth, wipe the bench down. Here you go, Rama fried rice. I hope you enjoy the video and enjoy how we cook your fried rice at the Surfing Lizard. Once again, I'm the owner of Surfing Lizard and we see you in the next video. This is my breakfast.